amigos, it's Domingo. ¿Cómo estás? Today I will be changing out the factory orange light signals and the rear light. I like the look of the smoked, so I'll be using this one, the Laidback LED tail light, and also the bullet style turn signals. This is how it looks like with the changed out lights. I put on the orange bulb on the right hand side. We'll see how that looks like when I turn it on. Here's how it looks like with the hazards on. Personally, I like the light on the left, which is a smoked with white bulb. I think it might be even brighter than the yellow one, to be honest. But you guys are welcome to put some comments below to see which one you like better. Make sure to like the video if you found it informative, and don't forget to subscribe. There's more videos to come. Thanks and cheers.